Alright creators, welcome back. What if I told you that everything you thought you knew about AI image generation was about to be flipped on its head? That the days of broken hands, garbled text, and the AI completely missing the point are over? The tool we're exploring today doesn't just guess what you want, it reasons, it understands. This is the moment AI image generation truly grows up. I've been testing Higgsfield's new Nano Banana Pro, powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro, and I was genuinely not ready for what it can do. And yes, this video is brought to you by Higgsfield, but trust me, the results you're about to see are 100% real. You are going to be shocked. So, what is Nano Banana Pro? It's a new high-accuracy model built for one mission: to give creators, filmmakers, digital artists, marketers, and you the ability to generate perfectly consistent, ultra-accurate visuals. But how does it change the game? Most AI image generation models struggle with fine details. They give you approximations instead of precision. However, Nano Banana Pro is engineered to understand your prompts with extreme precision, from skin tones and cinematic lighting to perspective and complex textures. You just name it. If you've ever struggled with distorted faces, broken anatomy, or styles that change between generations, this model is the solution. But its real power lies in two new areas that I want to focus on today: visual reasoning and flawless text rendering. We'll get to those in a moment, and they are game changers. First, let's get you signed up. The setup is incredibly simple. Click the first link in the description below, or search for Higgsfield AI on Google. You'll land on this clean homepage. Look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. You've got multiple options: Google, Microsoft, Apple, or a custom email. To save time, I'm choosing Google. Just follow the prompts, and in seconds, you're in. Welcome to your new creative dashboard. This is your control center. From here, the real magic begins. On the dashboard, hover over the image feature and select Nano Banana Pro. Click on it, and you'll be taken to this beautifully simple prompt interface. Before we generate anything, let's get our settings right. I always make sure Nano Banana Pro is selected. For our first test, let's set the aspect ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube, and crank the image quality to 4K. Sometimes the 4K image quality resolution might take a few seconds longer to generate, but the output is worth every millisecond of the wait. Now, let's start with a classic test: a detailed character portrait. My first prompt is a close-up portrait of a heroic female adventurer with glowing amber eyes, windswept hair, warm golden lighting, soft skin texture, dramatic contrast, ultra-realistic detail. Notice the level of detail in the prompt. We're not just saying a woman, we're giving specific instructions. Now, hit generate. Wow, just look at that. The eyes are sharp and full of life. The lighting is warm and directional, casting realistic shadows. The hair flow is natural, not a weird AI blob. And the skin texture feels real, not plastic. This is a solid foundation, but this is something other models can sometimes do. Now, let's push it into territory where others fail. This is where Nano Banana Pro, powered by Gemini 3's reasoning model, truly separates itself. It doesn't just parse keywords, it understands context, counts objects, and handles logical relationships. Let's test that. My next prompt is a minimalist product photography shot on a marble table. On the table are exactly 3 stacked coffee cups, 2 open books placed at a 90-degree angle to each other, and a single steaming latte in the foreground. The lighting is soft and professional. Did you catch that? Exactly 3 stacked coffee cups, 2 open books at a 90-degree angle. This requires spatial and numerical reasoning. Most AI would give you roughly 3 cups and maybe 2 books. Let's see if Nano Banana Pro can actually count and compose. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 perfectly stacked cups. Not 2, not 4. 3. And here are the 2 books, positioned precisely at a right angle. The composition is intentional. The model didn't just scatter objects, it followed a logical instruction set. This is a massive leap. This means you can generate diagrams, instructional visuals, product shots, anything requiring accuracy with confidence. Now, because I truly believe this is a tool that can change the game for so many of you, I want to put a free subscription directly into the hands of one of you. I'm giving away a free 1-month subscription to Higgsfield's Pro plan, a $29 value, to one lucky subscriber. Here's how you can enter to win. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you've turned on bell notifications so you don't miss the winner announcement. Share this video with someone who needs to see this. A creator, a colleague, a friend. Help me get this video to 1,000 views before Monday, and I will randomly select and announce the winner next Friday. And now, it's time for the holy grail of AI image generation. For years, getting an AI to render legible text has been nearly impossible. It's been the #1 story that an image is AI generated. Let's see if Nano Banana Pro has finally solved it. For this, I'm prompting a modern minimalist logo for a tech company called Nexus Core. The logo should be an abstract geometric shape encircling the company name. The text must be sharp, legible, and read Nexus Core clearly. Use a sleek sans serif font on a clean background. I'm being explicit. The text must be sharp, legible, and read Nexus Core clearly. This is the ultimate test. This is insane. Look at this. Nexus Core. It's all there. No garbled letters, no floating symbols. It's a clean, usable logo. This opens up incredible possibilities for branding mockups, UI and UX design, packaging concepts, and creating visuals with embedded headlines. This alone is a reason to switch. Let's bring it all together now. Let's create a cinematic scene that could be part of a larger story, showcasing environmental consistency and atmosphere. My final prompt is an ancient warrior rising from swirling sandstorms in a vast desert, glowing sunset light cutting through the dust, metallic armor reflecting warm rays, intense expression, ultra-realistic textures, cinematic, wide shot. Hit generate, and just look at that, the atmosphere is palpable. You can almost feel the grit of the sand. The lighting is dramatic and coherent. The textures on the armor are distinct. This is the kind of visual you can build a story around, and because of the model's consistency, you could generate this same warrior in a dozen other scenes, and they would feel like the same character in the same world. Now, you've seen the power. Ultra-accurate characters, logical reasoning, flawless text, and cinematic worlds. If you're a creator who generates content regularly for YouTube, social media, client work, or personal projects, you need to hear this. Higgsfield is running a special offer that expires this coming Monday, November the 24th. If you subscribe before that deadline, you get unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for an entire year. Let that sink in. No more counting credits. No more holding back on ideas because you're worried about your quota. You can generate thumbnails, storyboards, concept art, logos, and social media posts every single day without limit for an entire year. This is, without a doubt, the best value in AI image generation right now, especially for a model this powerful. Now, let me pause for a moment because what we've just seen isn't just about creating cool images. This is about real-world applications that can transform your workflow and even create income streams. So, how does this technology come into play in your day-by-day struggles? If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur, this becomes your on-demand design team. Imagine generating entire brand kits, logos, product mockups, and social media content that maintain perfect consistency without expensive software or freelancers. You can prototype packaging, visualize products before manufacturing, and create professional marketing materials in minutes rather than days. If you're a content creator and marketer, this is your thumbnail and asset engine. You can rapidly A/B test visual concepts, maintain channel branding across every piece of content, and generate attention-grabbing graphics that actually display crisp, readable text. No more blurry headlines that kill your click-through rate. If you're an educator or trainer, you can build custom learning materials with precise diagrams and labeled illustrations tailored to the system's specific curriculum. Create engaging visual aids that make complex concepts clear without relying on generic stock photography. If you're a writer, you can visually storyboard your narratives, generate concept art for book covers, and create promotional content that truly captures your story's atmosphere and characters. The precision of this tool transforms it from a novelty into a productivity powerhouse. You're not just making pictures, you're streamlining workflows, reducing production costs, and unlocking new creative services you can offer clients. This is about working smarter, not harder, with an AI co-pilot that handles the visual heavy lifting while you focus on strategy and storytelling. So, we saw how Nano Banana Pro delivers stunning detailed portraits. We tested its groundbreaking visual reasoning capabilities. It can actually count and comprehend complex instructions. We witnessed it conquer the final frontier of AI imagery, generating sharp, legible text and logos. And we built a cinematic world, proving its power for storytelling. This isn't just another AI model, it's a creative partner that finally understands you. The link to get started is in the description below. Remember, that unlimited 1-year offer expires this Monday. So go ahead, unlock your creativity, build your worlds, and tell your stories. Nano Banana Pro is here, and it's ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that are shaping creativity. See you in the next one.